Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your WordPress website into progressive web apps, so PWAs. Okay, so now PWA supports desktops as well, so you can install any PWAs like progressive web apps on your desktop, be it Windows desktop, specifically when Microsoft Windows 10, 8, Mac OS, Linux distros, and it already supports Android and iOS devices, operating system. So good news is this, that PWAs are now installable on desktops as well. So there are a few features, and I think this is why you should convert your existing website into progressive web app. Okay, so this is kind of a small list you can go through, but I've got something even bigger. So here is a Wikipedia page that you definitely want to have a look if you are not sure whether you should convert your website into a progressive web app. So what it does is it makes your website installable on any operating system: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, whatever it is. Okay, and it makes it faster, so interactive. Your websites become interactive, it loads faster. This also makes some of the pages that's completely configurable, so some of the pages make them offline loadable. So if your visitor has kind of slow internet connection, they would be able to load certain pages of your website. Okay, so let's go ahead and have a look at how to make your WordPress website a progressive web app. So go to your dashboard admin area and go to plugin and then go to add new, and then here you look for PWA, and then I've got a plugin for you. So scroll down, you can look up for this super progressive web app. So that's kind of the oldest one, and it works on Android and iOS as well. So go ahead and download it, install it and activate it. Okay, so once it's installed, you will be directed to a settings page for progressive web app, and here it picks up some of the informations like application name, short name, description, application icon that must be PNG format and has to be 192 into 192 in pixel. So go ahead and choose one. If you do not have, go ahead and create one. Okay, so I already have chosen one. Then you also need another kind of logo, so that has to be in PNG format, and the size must be 512 into 512 pixels. So anything like any image that you need for progressive web apps must be PNG format. Okay, then you can choose the background color. I've already chosen theme color, start page, that is going to be home page. Use AMP version of start page, perfectly fine. It will speed up the page load. And here we go. So offline page, you can choose one. Okay, default, which is going to be the home page. You can look at this. Portrait orientation, this is recommended one. Follow the device orientation. Okay, display stand alone, and what it does, as soon as you install this app plugin and activate it, it creates a JSON manifest file for your specific website. So if you want to have a look, just go ahead and click on it, and this is the minified version of JSON manifest. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and then you've got service worker, which is really important. Here we go. Okay, so you need to have HTTPS installed on your website, otherwise this PWA will not work on your site. So you need to have HTTPS installed. If you do not have HTTPS already installed, you can go ahead and ask with your hosting provider. Otherwise you can get it for free from SSL for free. I think it's .org, SSL for free. Okay, so they .com. Here we go. And you simply enter your website URL, domain name, and they will guide you how you can install it on your website. So it's very simple. Now once you have HTTPS installed, only then you will be able to convert your website into a progressive web app. So once this is done, you simply go ahead and save the settings. Now let's go ahead and test it. So I'm going to log out, just go into the home page. Now there's something will change here, so I'm quickly going to, okay, you can look at this one. So install niche house. Basically I will be able to install this application. So I'm gonna, this must change. I think I should have, okay, so as soon as it's cache, basically due to the cache it's not changing the logo. Otherwise I have already chosen one for this website. So once you hit on this install, this is going to install, and this has been installed. Look at this. So now this is going to be a bit faster than this actual website. Okay, so this is a cache again. Due to the cache I'm not getting all the pages, so it's low, it's going to load faster. And here we are. So this is on Microsoft Windows 10. So if I go ahead and close it, I already have an icon here. Look at this. So as soon as I click on it, it's going to open this website. So this has become an application on this Microsoft Windows 10. Similarly, if you visit this website on any other operating system, depending on what browser you are using, if your browser supports PWA, Google Chrome will definitely do. Chromium based browser will do, like Microsoft Edge Insider does. And so as long as you have a compatible web browser for, like, supporting web browser for this PWA, you will be able to use it. You will be able to install it and use it on that specific operating system. Also, so on this Android, you will get a kind of pop-up at the very bottom that will ask you if you want to install this application or this specific website on your home screen. Similarly goes with iOS. So this is how you can basically create or convert your existing WordPress site into progressive web app. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. This is how you can remove it, uninstall it, so it's been uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.